Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. I hope you're all having an amazing day.
Hey guys, it's Tom here. Thanks for joining us again for another fun English conversation. Anna, you look really cheerful today.
Thank you, Tom. I'm happy because I just had a very tasty lunch before recording this episode.
Oh, really? What did you eat?
I had spaghetti, my favorite food ever. It was so delicious with tomato sauce, garlic, and cheese on top. I could eat it every day.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love spaghetti too, especially when it's made at home. Do you cook it yourself?
Yes, I do. Cooking spaghetti is actually easy. I just boil the noodles, make the sauce with tomatoes and onions, then add a lot of cheese. The smell always makes me hungry.
I can imagine that. You're making me hungry already, Anna.
Sorry, Tom. So, what about you? What's your favorite food?
That's a hard question because I love so many kinds of food. But if I have to choose, I'd say my favorite food is pizza.
Ooh, pizza. Good choice. Everyone loves pizza. What's your favorite topping?
Definitely pepperoni. I love the mix of spicy pepperoni, melted cheese, and crispy crust. Sometimes I add mushrooms or extra cheese to make it even better.
That sounds so good. I think pizza is one of those foods that never makes you tired. You can eat it at any time of the day.
Exactly. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, pizza is always perfect.
Yes. Do you ever make pizza yourself or just order it?
I actually make it sometimes. It's fun to make the dough and choose my own toppings. I usually invite my friends over and we cook together.
Oh, that's nice. Cooking with friends is such a fun activity. You get to laugh, talk, and eat together.
Yes, food always brings people together. When we share food, we also share happiness.
I agree 100%. Food is more than just something we eat. It's part of our culture and our memories.
That's so true. For example, pizza reminds me of family movie nights. We always ordered pizza when we watched movies together.
Aw, that sounds so nice. For me, spaghetti reminds me of family dinners on weekends. My mom and I used to cook together.
That's sweet. So, do you like other kinds of food too, or is spaghetti your number one forever?
Mm, I also love sushi and fried rice. I like trying new food from different countries. It's fun to taste new flavors.
I'm the same. I love trying food from other places too. Sushi, noodles, and dumplings are some of my favorites.
Wow, you really love food, Tom.
I do. I think everyone loves food. It's one of life's greatest joys.
That's true. Oh, and I also really like desserts. I have such a sweet tooth.
Same here. I can't finish a meal without something sweet. What's your favorite dessert?
Definitely ice cream. I love chocolate flavor the most. It's sweet, cold, and makes me happy every time I eat it.
Oh, yes, ice cream is amazing. My favorite flavor is vanilla with chocolate chips. Sometimes I even eat it while watching movies.
That sounds perfect. You know, Tom, I think food also helps us learn English.
That's true. Talking about food helps us practice words like sweet, spicy, crispy, salty, and delicious.
Exactly. You can also use sentences like, this tastes great, or this smells good. These are useful for daily conversations.
Yes, and when you talk about your favorite food, try to describe the taste, the smell, and even how it looks. For example, my pizza is hot and cheesy, or my soup is warm and spicy.
Great examples, Tom. That's how learners can sound more natural in English.
Thanks, Anna. So, what kind of food do you not like? Do you have any food you can't eat?
I don't really like very spicy food. I can eat a little bit of spice, but not too much. What about you?
I don't like food that's too oily. It makes me feel too full. But sometimes I still eat fried chicken because it's just too good.
I know that feeling. Fried chicken is hard to resist.
So, Anna, if you could eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh, wow. That's hard. I think I'd choose rice because I can eat it with so many things: vegetables, chicken, fish, soup, anything.
That's a smart choice. For me, it's still pizza. There are so many flavors, so I'd never get bored.
I knew you'd say that. So predictable, Tom.
Guilty. Pizza forever.
Speaking of food, do you ever try to make healthy versions of your favorite dishes?
Yes, I try to make pizza with whole wheat dough and less cheese sometimes, and I had lots of vegetables. It tastes great and is better for my health.
That's smart. I also like making spaghetti with extra vegetables, like bell peppers, carrots, and mushrooms. It adds flavor and color too.
Oh, yes, presentation is important. A colorful dish always looks more delicious.
Exactly. And if you're eating with friends or family, presentation makes it more fun. People enjoy food more when it looks nice.
Totally agree. Food is not just taste, it's also about the experience. Smell, color, and sharing moments matter too.
That's a great point. And talking about food is also a great way to practice English with friends. You can describe the taste, ingredients, and even your memories.
Yes. For example, you can say, "This spaghetti tastes sweet and tangy," or "This pizza reminds me of my childhood." It's fun and educational.
So, listeners, what about you? What's your favorite food? How does it taste? Does it remind you of a memory?
Describe your favorite dish in English, what it looks like, smells like, and why you love it.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. Just practice expressing yourself. It's the best way to learn.
Exactly. The more you talk about things you love, the more confident you'll become in English.
And remember, food is not just for eating, it's for learning, sharing, and enjoying life.
Well, Anna, I think I know what I'm going to do after this recording.
Let me guess. Order pizza?
You know me too well. And you'll probably cook spaghetti, right?
Exactly. Great minds think alike, Tom.
That's true. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening to our podcast today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more fun and easy English conversations.
Keep practicing your English every day, and maybe tell your friends about your favorite food in English.
Yes, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep enjoying your meals.
Have a great day, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.